Welcome to Branded Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting automotive content. If you love cars, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now, let's dive into the stunning 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Volkswagen has revived an icon with the all-new 2025 Karmann Ghia, blending classic aesthetics with modern engineering. This legendary coupe, once celebrated for its timeless design and smooth performance, now returns with a futuristic twist while keeping the soul of the original intact. At first glance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia exudes elegance. Volkswagen has masterfully maintained the vintage silhouette with sleek curves, an elongated hood, and a flowing roofline. The front fascia features LED headlights seamlessly integrated into a smooth, aerodynamic design, while the signature chrome accents pay homage to its classic predecessor. The rear showcases a refined yet sporty look, complete with a subtle spoiler and full-width LED taillights that add to its futuristic appeal. Under the hood, Volkswagen has taken a bold step by offering an all-electric powertrain. The new Karmann Ghia is powered by a dual-motor setup, delivering an impressive 400 horsepower and instant torque for exhilarating acceleration. It can go from 0 to 60 in just under 4.5 seconds, making it not just a stylish coupe but also a performance-driven machine. With an estimated range of 300 miles on a single charge, it's built for both city drives and long journeys. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and technology. Premium leather upholstery, minimalist dashboard design, and ambient lighting create a luxurious atmosphere. A large touchscreen infotainment system, powered by Volkswagen's latest software, offers seamless connectivity, voice control, and an intuitive interface. The digital cockpit provides a fully customizable display, giving drivers all the information they need at a glance. Comfort and convenience have also been given top priority. The seats offer excellent support, and the spacious cabin ensures a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking make driving effortless and safe. Volkswagen has also emphasized sustainability by using eco-friendly materials in the interior and incorporating regenerative braking technology to enhance efficiency. The car supports fast charging, allowing it to recharge up to 80% in just 30 minutes, making it practical for everyday use. For enthusiasts who appreciate heritage, Volkswagen offers exclusive trim options inspired by the original Karmann Ghia, featuring unique badging, vintage-style wheels, and classic color options like deep red, ocean blue, and pearl white. With the 2025 Karmann Ghia, Volkswagen has successfully revived a legend by merging nostalgia with cutting-edge innovation. This stunning coupe is not just a nod to the past but a bold step into the future of electric performance cars. That's all for today's video. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Karmann Ghia. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Branded Cars for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.